A vapor recovery unit is a piece of process equipment utilized in industrial facilities to lower your emissions and your carbon content from your exhaust. With our digital transformation, a digital twin technology, we're able to do the upfront engineering and planning, get the adequate sizing of the equipment, communicate this with the operations team and the engineering team very fluently through visual software, and on the reverse side, the intimacy to be able to take care of the procurement, self-perform the manufacturing and the construction of the units for a consolidated turnkey system. Moving forward, our ability to tie the information back to the digital twin models in case we need to upsize or look at some different systems that could potentially add more value to the customer in exactly the cost, risk mitigation, and then the environmental stewardship.